Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of VM Backup Appliance based on ASUSTOR NAS and NAKIVO Backup and Replication. This is a combined solution which combines ASUSTOR hardware and NAKIVO software. In classic use case, when you have a backup server, a dedicated machine, whether it is a physical or virtual machine, this usually requires additional hardware, obviously either a dedicated physical box or just more hardware taken by a VM which runs your backup application. In this combined solution, you can just install NAKIVO Backup and Replication on top of your ASUSTOR NAS device, and this will offload your primary infrastructure, normally it's VMware Hyper-V, and move your workloads to a low-cost, high-performance ASUSTOR NAS. This way you'll get all-in-one, both software and hardware for backup combined in one box. For those new to NAKIVO, just a quick information, NAKIVO Backup and Replication is designed to protect VMware Hyper-V and AWS EC2 environments, basically virtualization in cloud environments. And the data protection can happen on-site, off-site, or in the cloud, with 1000 recovery points kept per backup, GFS retention, application awareness, small backup window, and other industry standard technologies. So, how to boost your performance? Usually the challenge when you're backing up to a remote NAS device is an overhead of the NFS or CIFS protocol, as well as overall network load, and the fact that your network traffic isn't compressed. In this combined solution, your backup software, basically NAKIVO Backup and Replication, runs directly on your NAS device, and it eliminates the overhead of any third-party protocol. By using this solution, you can achieve up to 2x better performance and more than 5x lower price compared to ready-made backup appliances. Let's look at a quick demo of how NAKIVO Backup and Replication can be installed on ASUSTOR NAS device. I will log in to the NAS device. It's pretty simple, admin, and I'll go to the App Central. This is ADM 3.0 beta. It's not a release software yet. And we will use manual install here to open our APK package. APK is basically the application standard, application format for ASUSTOR. We will upload this file and wait until it installs. Okay, it's been uploaded. Let's click next. It seems all the requirements are met. I understand the risks, of course. So it's been installed. Let's wait until NAKIVO software is installed on this device, and then let's start running the first backup. Okay. NAKIVO Backup and Replication has been installed on the ASUSTOR NAS. It now appears in the installed applications. And we also have a desktop icon which opens NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Let's open NAKIVO Backup and Replication. The application is starting. Okay, it has started. We need to accept the license agreement and create a user account. And to start running backup, we need to add our infrastructure here. Let's add a VMware vCenter server. The vCenter is adding. The vCenter server has been added to the inventory. Let's move on. This one needs a transporter. We already have one on the same NAS device. And the onboard backup repository has been automatically created in the NAS device. Let's create our first backup job. We will pick several VMs for the matter of this demo. Backup to the onboard repository. Not run this job on schedule, run it on demand, keep several recovery points per day and per week. We will not use CBT or application aware mode. And we will run this job. Let's wait till the job is started to see the first backup running. It's configured to process 2 VMs at a time by default. You can change this setting in configuration later. So the speed indication has appeared, which means the VMs are actually being backed up at the moment and the data is being written into the backup at the ASUSTOR NAS device. This was it for the demo. Now let's speak about the results that you get by installing NAKIVO Backup Replication on your ASUSTOR NAS and using such kind of backup appliance. Basically what you get is fast backups, which save your resources, your hardware, which is not used at extra rate at your primary infrastructure. Your backups are small, they save not much storage space because they are compressed and deduplicated, and the swap files are excluded and the backups are forever incremental. So basically you get fast and small backups as well as instant and guaranteed recovery, since NAKIVO Backup and Replication has instant recovery capabilities with Flash VM boot. It has screenshot verification to ensure that your backups are recoverable, as well as it has recovery of files, Exchange objects, AD and DR with VM replica. Thank you for watching this video, and please try this joint solution if you haven't already tried.